Once you've finished planning the document, you are ready to begin drafting it. Essentially, this means you position the content into 3 important sections. So, what are the sections? The introduction or beginning matter, the body or main message, and the closing or end matter. All documents have an introduction, body, and closing. This matches the way readers focus when reading and scanning, with high interest at the beginning, lowering interest in the middle, and rising again towards the end. And what this means is that having a clear and logical structure, especially within the body, is critical to getting your message across, as you're relying on your structure and the way you present it, helping your readers get the message you want them to get. And remember, attention spans are brief when searching for information that is expected to be easy to find. Being able to scan through a document helps readers make sense of the information based on what precedes a piece of content and what follows it. And not giving readers what they expect can result in a comprehension problem and ultimately a breakdown in communication. In the introduction, you're answering the question, why am I writing the document? The opening of the document needs to be positive, as it sets the tone for the whole document and includes the communication purpose statement. When appropriate, it also includes a brief summary of the current situation as the reader already knows it and the problem or complication at hand. This gives the context to the document. There shouldn't be any new information in the document's introduction. The document's body answers the question, what are the details and specifics? During the planning phase, you've already created the structure and substructure of the document's body and know what questions your reader wants answered. Well-structured documents, even brief email messages, help readers absorb the information by ensuring a clear context and a logical flow of information. If you're writing a persuasive document like a recommendation or proposal, you can use the persuasive model to help you link the details, conclusions, and finally any recommendations. A message that doesn't have those links will not be a persuasive message at all. The third and final section is the document's closing. The closing answers the question, what is the next step or steps? It outlines the next step and includes all the details needed to perform the action or actions, and it should always end with a positive and polite contact sign-off. And just one more thing. You can find all 3 sections in email messages that are only 2 or 3 sentences long. The introduction and body can be 2 sentences in the first paragraph. We're not saying that every message needs to be longer than necessary, but it must be both complete and accurate to avoid miscommunication.